Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can mute message notification on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to mute your message notification on Snapchat, what you want to do is you have to turn off notification from your settings so you won't receive any notification of Snapchat. So in order to do that, you want to click on setting of your phone. Once you're inside the setting of your phone, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. Now once you see Snapchat, click on Snapchat. And inside Snapchat, you can see this option called notification. Click on notifications and it's going to show you this. Over here where it says allow notification, click on it and turn it off. Once you do that, Snapchat won't be able to send you any notification, your friends or calls or anything. You won't get any notification of Snapchat. That's one way to mute your message notification on Snapchat. The other way is from the inside the setting of Snapchat. So click on Snapchat and then click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen on Snapchat. Once you're inside your profile, click on the setting icon at the top right. And once you're inside the setting of your Snapchat, try to find notifications and click on notifications, and from inside here you can choose which notification you want to remove. If you don't want to get notification when you get mentioned, you can turn it off like this. For message reminders, you can just turn it off. So whichever notification you don't want, just turn it off and that's good to go. So yeah, with the setting option which I showed you, every notification will be off, but from the Snapchat option you can only turn off those notifications which you don't want. But that's how you guys can mute notification on Snapchat. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.